video, we will start reasoning. In reasoning, the first chapter we will discuss, that is calendar. Before you starting calendar, we have to know what is about the day, month, week and year. We have started 1 year is equal to 365 days, which is consist of 52 week and 1 extra day. Similarly, in a year, we can convert this into two types. That is a normal year, one is the leap year. About the leap year, we all know everything. Leap year means the year in which 29 February is held, and leap year comes once in 4 years. That means the year which is divisible by 4 is known as a leap year. But in case of century, the year must be divided with 400 is a leap year. Let us take an example. Suppose the year 2016. This year is divisible by 4. By remainder is 0. This is divisible by 4. So 2016 is leap year. Similarly, if I take 1999 is not divisible by 4. 1993 is not divisible by 4. So 1999 is not a leap year. If you take about a century, that means if the year is 1900, this year is divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. But what I have said to you, the century which is divisible by 4, it must be divisible by 400. But this one is not divisible by 400. So this is not a leap year. So 1900 is not a leap year. If I take 2000, the year of 2000, it is divisible by 4. So this is a leap year, and as well as 2000 is also divisible by 400. Since the century which is divisible by 400, it must be a leap year. Now we have studied 1 year is equal to 365 days in case of normal year, and in case of leap year it is 366 days. Next we will study the difference between a normal year and a leap year. In normal year it is 365 days, but in leap year it is 366 days because the February month has 29 days. So 29 February comes in the leap year. Next it is normal year, 52 weeks and 1 day, but in leap year it is 52 weeks and 2 days. Normal year consists of 12 months and leap year is also consists of 12 months. And normal year means it is the consecutive 3 years, and the leap year means once in a 4 year. So here we have defined what is a leap year and how the leap year comes. It is comes in a 4 year, and if it is a century, then it is comes with which is the year which is divisible by 400. In calendar questions, we have to memorize some tricks. The tricks which we are using here is for the day, for month and for year. First, when I simplify the question after getting the answer may be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. If the answer is 0, then I get the answer will be Sunday. If the answer is 1, then it is Monday. 2, Tuesday. 3, Wednesday. 4, Thursday. 5, Friday. 6, Saturday. So from 1 to 6 the answer will be held. For calculating this part, I can use the month and the year applications. Month means we know we have 12 months. So to the 12 months I will convert it into 4 parts. For 3 months I will use a bundle. That means January, February and March. I will memorize this by 033. The first part is first 3 months, which is 033. Similarly, the last 3 months will be 035. So last 3 months is 035. The code for January is 0, code for February 3, March 3. Similarly, code for the October is 3, November is 3, October is 0, November is 3, December is 5. So first 3 and last 3 we can remember, that is 033 and 035. Similarly, the middle 6 I have to convert into also two parts, that is this one is 614 and this part is 625. So the code for April is 6, May 1, June 4, July the code is 6, August 2, September is 5. So every month is assigned to a particular number, which I will do in the question. We will discuss it all the things one by one. And then about the number which is used for year. Year means for a century I will do a particular number. For the century of 1600 to 1699 the number is 6. For next century the number will decrease to 2. That means after 6 the number is 4. 4 is for the century 1700 to 1799. Again the number is decreased by 2. So 4 will be decreased to 2 for the year 1800 to 1899. Next 2 will be reduced to 0 for the year 1900 to 1999. But after 1999, that means from 2000 to 2099, the same thing will be repeated. That means the number assigned for 2000 to 2019 is 6. Again 2100 to 2199, the number will be 4 and so on. That means 6420. Again it will be 6420, 6420. The same thing will be repeated. But most probably our question is asked about from the year 1600 till 2100. Within this range, we have to remember the tricks, that we have to remember the numbers which is assigned for the century. Next, we will do an example how to calculate which day and a particular day will be held. Let us do one example how to check which a particular number is related to which day. Suppose in our example is 1947 August 15 is which day. So which day? It may be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Which day 1947 August 15 minutes. That means for doing such calculation, I have to do 5 simple steps. The first step is I have to write last 2 digits of the year. The year is 1947. So 1947 means last 2 digits of the year. Last 2 digits is 47. So first I will write here 47. Next thing is divided it by 4. So 47 will be divided by 4. If I divide 47 by 4, I can get 11 whole 3 by 4. So 11 is my answer. So here I can write 11. Next date. Here the date is 15. So I will write 15 here. Next number related to the month. Here the month is August. So the number assigned for the August was August it is 2. So I will write 2 here. Next the number related to year. The year is 1947. It is in the range of 1900 till 1999. So this range. So here the code is 0. So I will write 0 here. These 5 steps I have to do every case. That means these 5 steps I have to do in all the questions. We have only to add all these things. After the addition, I can get the addition is 75. After getting 75, what we have to do? We have to divide this 75 by 7. So 75 divides 7. In this division, I can get 10 whole 5 by 7. Here 5 is the remainder and the remainder part is the answer. So 5 is answer. I have told you the answer is always 1 to from 0 till 6. For 5, the answer is switch here. 5 is assigned for the day, that is Friday. So the answer is Friday. We can check in our calendar that the 1947 August 15 is Friday. This process for the first time, second time it is very difficult to do, but after doing 2 and 3 times, this process will be very easy. Let's do another example. The question is 3rd July 1756. The same 5 steps I have to do. The first step is the last 2 digits of the year. Here the last 2 digits 56. So I will write 56 here. Divided this 56 by 4. By dividing I can get 14. So 14 is here. Next the date. Date is 3rd July. So 3 is here. Next number related to the month. Here the month is July, and the for July the code is 6. So 6 is written here. Next, the number related to year. Here the year is 1756. So the code for the 1756 is 4. So 4 is written here. Then my process is I will add all these things. Then after adding, I can get it as 83. If I divide 83 by 7, I can get 11 whole 6 by 7. So 6 is my answer. 6 means it is Saturday. So 6 means it is Saturday. So Saturday is answer. Next, I will study another thing. Next question is 29 February 1756. The same year I have taken, but the number is 29 February. Here, one extra exception is there. That means if the number is the leap number, that is 29 Feb, then after calculating all these things, I will do one minus to the resultant. That means last 2 digit of the year, which is 56, it is 56 here, divided by 4, it is 14, date is 29, number related to the month, here the month is February, so February the number is 3, so the number related to year 1756, so the number is 4 here. If I add all these things, I can get it as 106. 106 is the answer, but here I have told you, since the day is the leap day, so I have to do one minus is here. So 106 minus 1 is equal to 105. Now this 105 I have to divide by 7. So 105 divided by 7. Since 105 is totally divisible by 7, so the remainder is 0. Since the remainder is 0, the answer will be Sunday. So the answer is Sunday. By this process, only to memorizing this thing, the code for any day, the code for the month and code for the year, we can do calculation of any number, that is any day. By taking your date of birth, you can calculate which day you have born. Let's do another example. The question is 17 November 1999. See here, the last 2 digit is 99. Then divided it by 4. Dividing it, I can get it is 24 whole 3 by 4, so 24 is here. The date is 7. Number related to the month. Here the month is November. So November, the code is 3. So the number related to year, it is 0. Since 7th November is not the leap number, so no need of doing minus 1 here. Only I will add all these things. After the addition, I can get it as 133. If I divide 133 by 7, the remainder is 0. 0 means it is Sunday. So the answer is Sunday. This is the process how to find the which day a particular date is held. In this process, I can get the calculation for the calendar. In the next class, we will do the calendar other tricks. Thank you.